Hi, this is Lupe from Kaizink. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do a full front placement. So first you're going to want to make sure that you have your print ready, all printed, and then you're going to want to make sure that your shirt is to the bottom of the cart. And you're also going to want to make sure that you have your roller set up lined straight with the collar. From there, you're going to have your print in front of you. And unless it's stated on the press proof, you're going to go ahead and get the design to be centered with this red line here. So once you have your creases, you're going to line up the center with the red line. And in this case, since we don't have a drop for this design, I'm just going to go ahead and press this at 3 inches from the collar. So I'm just going to go ahead and slide this up here so it's at 3 inches. Okay. And then once you're there, you can just go ahead and tape this down and then get this pressed like you regularly do your shirts. Thank you.